Hey, this is Eartha Baca and welcome to this episode of Beauty Graffiti. Today I rock this look. It's called Head in the Clouds. This was inspired by a picture I saw posted from Tyra Banks. I think it was a Photoshop design, but it just really inspired me. So stay tuned because the video is coming. Hey guys, so the first thing I'm always going to do is start with my primer. You definitely want to have a primer all over your face and let it get a chance to kind of set and settle in. So you want to do your primer and then wait, I don't know, about maybe 5 minutes or so. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then get to our look today. I'm super excited and you will see it right here. So the next thing I do is I'm going to sketch out my idea. So I'm going to grab my black liner. I like to give it a little bit of a twist on my sharpener, make sure it's nice and sharp. Now this look is going to be a little tricky because I'm going to have to make it look like my face is actually split in half and wider than it is. So I'm going to cover my ears because I'm going to actually do a look like that. So let's get to the sketch. Stay tuned. So now what I'm going to do is try to color correct and then use concealer over my eyebrows so that hopefully they don't show through or underneath my makeup look today. As best I can, I'm going to try to make them look invisible. So I'm going to color correct first, and then cover them with concealer. I actually did one eyebrow look one time, and I literally shaved off the ends, and I did curly Q eyebrows, and I cut my eyebrows. So they finally have grown back, and I don't want to shave them off for this. They finally came back. So for this next part, I'm going to actually just take a little makeup remover cloth and really clean up this line because I want this to be very clean. Very clear looking. I don't want that black to show so much, so I'm just going to clean it up just a little bit and get this really nice and clean. So if you guys ever make mistakes, you can actually correct them as well by using this technique, even with your regular makeup. Just grab a little makeup remover cloth, wrap it around your finger, and clean up. That works great when you're trying to clean up a wing and you really want to make it nice and straight. Alright, let's get back to it. So now I'm going to set the concealer since I've covered my entire face with it, and just really get that ready for everything else that's about to happen. So now I'm going to go in with a white concealer, and I'm just going to get the center area ready for the blues because I really want that blue to pop, and also we've got some clouds going on, so I'm going to hit it first with the white for a base. So now that I have my base, it's time to recreate the face. So this is really tricky with the hooded eye, so I'm going to do most of it first, and then right before I finish up, I'll do the inside so I can photograph with my eye closed, because right now, every time I open my eye, it's messing it up. So that's part of the process. Okay, so the face is not done yet, but we're gonna hit some other areas and tie it all up in the end. You'll see. So I'm getting pretty close to being done. Right now I need to actually take some concealer and put it right on my eyelashes. Hopefully I won't stick myself in the eyeball. So when I close my eyes, I want to conceal the lashes because right now it creates a line. So I'm trying to conceal that right now. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. That helps me a lot. And thank you, as always, for being amazing. Go rock your beauty graffiti. Go be 100% you and tell the world you're here. Go be great.